This is Year in Review.
Today we're in the auditorium for our very first PBIS Rewards Rally.
We are doing an experiment where we take a string, some tape, a balloon, and a straw. And what we're doing is we're running the straw on the string, and then we take the balloon. And the experiment is that we're experimenting what makes it fly fastest.
Today in Miss Ellison's science class, we made a roller coaster out of foam and to try to make a marble make it through all the way using forms of energy.
As iTunes ambassadors, we led our lesson about being respectful.
To kick off Red Ribbon Week, we have Brittany and Lindsay from the health department here to teach us more about the dangers of juuling and e-cigarettes.
Today in Spanish class, we had a fashion show where we described what our partner was wearing in Spanish.
Fiesta. Él está llevando una corbata gris.
Today in robotics, we had a guest speaker show us how robots in the real world work.
This week at HMS, we had our third Night of the Arts, which featured our fine arts departments like our orchestra, jazz band, theater arts, advanced art, and many more.
The choir performed today in our assembly in honor of our veterans.
In art, we researched
Paintings and sculptures, and we made our own mini museum.
Today in Miss Lidl's class, we held a charity event where we researched our own projects and presented them to our school community.
Hi, I'm Alex, and today in Miss Lahoon's 8th grade ELA class, we did a Socratic seminar. So basically, we went over the story that we're reading and we discussed our different ideas of the conflict.
All the HMS 8th graders went to Independence High School to learn about the CTE classes that will be available for us next year.
Today in Mr. Smith's class, we're working to put a robot together step by step based on the instructions we are given with a book.
This week at Heritage, we had our book fair.
This year we celebrated Black History Month with our 5th annual assembly. We were honored to have Dr. Kelby House Gardner with the Equity Alliance as our guest speaker, who spoke on the national theme, African Americans and the Vote.
This week at Heritage, we were doing high school registration, where we pick our classes for freshman year and figure out a 4-year plan.
Today in STEM in Miss Brown's class, we made a domino chain reaction marble maze with like dominoes, cardboard, and marbles.
For Year in Review, thank you, Amanda Eubanks and Dominique Rager, for capturing these great memories.